So the next part of the conversation, the vendor says, "Pay à la caisse, s'il vous plaît." Pay in cash, please. So for €6, it is not a very big amount. Therefore, we will pay in cash. So I hope you remember the rules for paying in cash and paying using la carte bancaire, the bank card. The next part of the dialogue, Riley, the other person in the conversation, he says, "Tu peux m'accompagner au rayon pâtisserie?" You can come with me to the rayon pâtisserie. Je voudrais acheter, I want to buy, un gâteau au chocolat, a chocolate cake, a cake of chocolate. So, je voudrais. See, these are some of the terms we use when we want to buy something. Je voudrais. When you are asking the vendor, it would be vous avez. You can use je voudrais there too, but vous avez can also be used. Je voudrais acheter un gâteau au chocolat, a chocolate cake. Lee says, bien sûr, very well, je l'adore. I like it very much. So je l'adore. So you see this here, it is the, do you remember how this came? We learnt this concept earlier. It is the complement of the direct object. So je l'adore. And puis, moreover, le pain français, the bread, the French bread, c'est délicieux. It is delicious. So Riley says, moi aussi, le pain français, me also, the French bread, je l'adore. Again, the use of the complement of the direct object. So this is how the conversation ends. So next they are going to the rayon pâtisserie. So once again, ça fait combien? €6. Payez à la caisse, s'il vous plaît. The next part is, tu peux m'accompagner au rayon pâtisserie? Je voudrais acheter un gâteau au chocolat. Bien sûr, je l'adore. Et puis, le pain français, c'est délicieux. Moi aussi, le pain français, je l'adore. So, I made you read this dialogue because it will improve your vocabulary. For example, in the first part, we learned the names of some fruits and vegetables. Here in the second part, we learned the word gâteau means cake, pain means bread. So, we are learning a lot of new words. So, what you need to do is make up some general scenario and try to write dialogues of your own. So, you know the tenses, you know grammar. So, try to write simple sentences. It doesn't have to be a complex one. Simple sentences to complete the dialogues for some general scenarios.